Ikot sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan, PKG Online Awitan.
Tonight, ikaw ang reyna ng sayaw. Hey! Pagpasok mo pa lang lumalaw ang gabi, sa ilalim ng ilaw ikaw ang sinisigawin. Habang mo'y diretso walang alinlangan, sa bawat galaw mo saktong dahilan. Kumpas ng musika, hawak mo ang sandali, isang tingin mo lang ako'y bumibigay din. Wala nang salita, kailangan pa, sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa lahat. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi, sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nabibig. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan, hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, sa ilaw at dilim, ikaw ang ritmo ng damdamin. Hawak mo ang beat, dito sa pista, ikaw ang dahilan bakit sumisigla. Pawisan oo pero tuloy pa rin, lalo kang kumikinang sa gitna ng dilim. Sa bawat ikot mo palakas ang bas, parang sinasabi mong sumabay ka na rin. Lumapit ka pa, huwag nang umatras, sayaw ng gabi, ikaw ang lakas. Paghawak mo ang butong sa kamay, lahat sumusunod sa galaw mong tunay. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi, sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nabibig. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan, hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, taas kamay, ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan, DJ litin mo pa dyan. Clap, clap, taas kamay, ikot-ikot, sabay-sabay. Clap, clap, galaw lang yan, DJ litin mo pa dyan. Bang bumagsak ang huling patak, dito sa sahig, sabay tayong sasagot. Sa tunog ng disco, wala nang tanong, ikaw ang reyna ng dayla ngayon. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi, sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nag-ibig. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan, hanggang sa huling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang beat, sumayaw ka pa, sa disco ng gabi, ikaw ang tala. Hawak mo ang beat, dito sa pista, ikaw ang tunog na hindi kukupas pa. Hawak mo ang beat, DJ. Huwag mo munang patingin, hawak mo ang beat, DJ. Huwag mo munang patingin, hawak mo ang beat. Alright, hawak niyo ba ang beat?
Hawak natin ang beat.
Yes, of course. And po, magandang tanghali po sa lahat. Kami po ang inyong makakasama po sa isang oras na naman pong kantahan, kwentuhan, at lahat po ng gawin na natin dito, performances. At sana po, kayo po ay patuloy na tumutok po dito po sa ating programa this afternoon, ang PKG Online Awitan.
Pakilala ka, sir, syempre.
And of course, ako po ay si Police Corporal Daryl Mantilla.
And of course, I'm Patrolman Jade Mariel Kilang.
At kasama natin na napakatikas na, sabi nila, two-piece daw sila.
Yes.
Two-piece means dalawang ulo sila.
Dalawa lang po kasi sila.
Oo, na dalawang instrumentalist natin. Wala pong iba kundi si PMSG Mardon Bao, ang Ryan C ng PNP Combo.
And of course, ang ating NUP Joel Carino, yan ang all-around naman ang ating
All around,
PNP
talagang-
combo. Yan.
That's literal literal yun.
Yes,
all around.
literal na
Kasi
all around.
lahat ay kaya niyang
Gawin. Kung kumakanta pa yan si Sir. Kaya alam po namin na marami po siyang taga-subaybay po sa ating mga ka-online awitan. So stay put lang po kayo and continue to support our program. Thank you po.
Patuloy po tayo mag-like, comment, and share. Ito pong programa po natin para maabot natin ang lahat ng ating mga friends, ang ating pong family. Tayo po ay magkantahan habang tayo nagla-lunch, no?
Yes.
Sana all nagla-lunch.
Sana all nagla-lunch. Manta muna tayo para mapasarap ang kain ng mga nanonood sa atin, sir.
Alright.
And of course, binabati po namin ang aming command group headed by our director, Police Brigadier General Vina Habana Guzman, ma'am. And of course, our DDA, Police Colonel Joel Serrano. Our DDO, Police Colonel Adonis B. Guzman. And of course, the birthday boy. Yan.
Yun, oh.
Happy birthday to our very supportive Chief of Staff, Police Colonel Joel Ada, sir. Magandang araw and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. Ilan taon na kaya si sir?
Hulaan.
Parang ano eh.
Yes.
Kakadibo lang ba niyan?
Parang kadedebu. Of course, yan.
Sige po, kantahin natin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yan, again, happy birthday to our Chief of Staff, Police Colonel Joel Ada, sir.
And of course, our wish and our prayer, sana po ay pagpalain kayo ni Lord at nawa po ay bigyan kayo ng marami pang birthdays.
Yes.
Alright?
And maraming salamat, sir, of course, sa pagsuporta sa PKG Online Awitan.
And of course, meron pong nagpapabati pa since binati na natin Sir Ada sa kanyang birthday. Meron pa pong nagpapabati ang ating pong Chief CAD, Police Colonel Luis Igisik, na meron siyang kaibigan po na didiwang din po ng birthday po. Ayan po. Si Sir Irvin Buenaventura sa kanyang 50th birthday.
birthday.
Kantahan pa rin natin yan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yan po, happy birthday po sa lahat ng nagdiriwang po ng kanilang birthday. And of course, especially sa ating mga CS, Police Colonel Joel Tiada, and Sir Irvin Buenaventura sa kanyang pong 50th birthday today. Ayan. Happy
And at
birthday.
sa ating mga online kaawitan watchers dyan, shoutout po sa ating 92,000 viewers. Yan,
Yun, oh.
pa-like, comment, and share po ng ating live po ngayong araw para marami pa po ang maabot ng ating PKG Online Awitan at marami po tayong ma-inspire ngayong araw. Ayan. So, next song na ba tayo, sir? Yeah, next song na tayo, guys.
And our next song by Nathalie called Torn. Sana po inyo magustuhan.
I thought I saw a man brought to life. He was warm, he came around like he was dignified. He showed me what it was to cry. Well, he could have been the man I adore. You don't seem to know, seem to care what the heart is for. No, I don't know him anymore. There's nothing where he used to lie. The conversation has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's but I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am shame. Lying naked on the floor. You should never shame into into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already torn. So I guess the fortune teller's right. I should have seen just what was there and not some holy light. But you caught beneath my veins and now, and I don't care, I have no love. I don't miss it all that much. There's just so many things that I can't touch and torn. I'm out of pain, this is how I feel. Calling I shame, lying naked on the floor. And this should never change into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already torn. Shout out to our 130,000 viewers. There's nothing where we used to lie, my impulse and dry. That's just going on, nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of pain, this is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm ashamed, lying naked on the floor. And this should never change into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. I'm all out of faith, this is how I feel. I'm cold and I'm ashamed, bowed and broken on the floor. You're a little late, I'm already torn. Ayan, shout out to our Chief Cat, Police Colonel Luis Gigisik, sir, na live na
Happy watching po.
nanonood. Ayan, shout out po sa iyo, sir. And of course, to our Chief Clerk, yan, Sir Bar, sir, shout out.
Happy watching, Sir Bars.
And of course, sa ating drummer, Sir De Vera, sir, shout out habang naka-schooling nanonood. Shout out sa iyo, sir. Shout out po sa class PSSLC class 2006-01 Bravo. Top 1 and top 2 ng class Bravo. Yan.
PSMS De Vera and PSMS ng Giran. Yan.
Noon, iba talaga.
Yan, shout out po sa ating mga band members din po ng PKG artist. Yan po si PSMS. Yun, PSMS Bautista and PSMS De Vera. Happy watching po. While studying, you are enjoying your lunch. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy po ang ating pong awitan. Sana po huwag kayong bumitiw. And here's next song by
Patti Smith.
Yeah, let's
Sometimes love just ain't enough, sir.
Hashtag PKG Tagapag-Ugnay. Let's go!
No, I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna use you just to have somebody by my side. And I don't wanna hate you, I don't wanna take you, but I don't wanna be the one to cry. And I don't really matter to anyone anymore. But like a fool, I keep losing my place, and I keep seeing you walk through that door. But there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's change you. I don't wanna blame you. Baby, you don't have to take the fall. Yes, I may have hurt you, but I did not desert you. Maybe I just wanna have it all. It makes a sound like thunder. It makes me feel like the rain, and like a fool who will never see the truth. And I keep thinking something's gonna change, but there's a danger in loving somebody too much. And it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. And there's no way home when it's late at night and you're all alone. All the things that you wanted to say. Do you feel me beside you in your bed? There beside you where I used to lay.
Nagturo po talaga ang tunay top 1 ng PSLC. 2601 Bravo Coy PSMS Jonathan Bautista.
Oh, there's a danger in loving somebody too much. And it's sad when you know it's your heart they can touch. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes that just ain't enough. Baby, sometimes love is just ain't enough.
Totoo ba yan? Totoo ba yung title niyan?
Sometimes love just ain't
Oo,
enough.
totoo ba yan?
Siyempre sir, kailangan, feeling ko, sometimes love just ain't enough. Hindi sapat yung pagmamahal.
Oo nga, totoo ba yan?
Ah, magiging sapat lang pag marunong ka makontento.
Ang lalim ng hugot mo, ha? Pero syempre, hindi naman puro pag-ibig lang kailangan. Mag-provide ka.
Yes. And
ng
of course,
panahon.
bago ka magmahal ng iba, mahalin mo muna yung sarili
Yan.
mo.
Meron ka muna para meron kang ibigay.
Yes.
Welcome po sa Love Advice program natin. Yan po, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating pong programa this afternoon. At kung meron po kayong mga comment, meron kayong gustong ipa-shoutout, lagyan nyo lang po ng hashtag PKG Tagapagugnay para mag-trending po tayo.
Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo ng mga viewers natin
Oo.
from Ma'am Alma Velasquez. Pa-shoutout po sa 4LD Batch 1994, Cabiao National High School, Police Lieutenant Alma Velasquez Irinco. Ayan. Sa aming, sa aming supportive na PCO na nandito ngayon, of course, Ma'am Alma Ma'am ng production section.
Oo. Ang aga-aga nangungulit.
Yes.
Huwag nyo kalimutan,
9 a.m., di ba?
Oo.
Of
Thank
cour-
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Kay Sir Mayor, sir, yan, shout out. Kay Sir, sa chief po ng CRMC, ayan, Sir Polonio, sir. Shout out po yan and happy watching. GD Vagabond, shout out po kay Attorney Nikki na nanonood po ngayon. Solid taganood ng online awitan. Ayan. Thank you
Thank
so
you po.
much, Attorney Nikki.
Yan po, here's the next song po by Cher and Peter Cetera. Sana po inyong magustuhan.
Sir, may nagre-request pala ng kanta You by Basil Valdez. So,
Yeah.
isunod mo, sir.
After this song,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Well, here we are again, And I guess it must be fate. We're trying on our own, but deep inside we know we'll be back to setting straight.
I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreats, every journey always brings me back to you. And after all the storms and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you.
And I guess it's meant to be forever you and me. After all,
When love is truly right,
this time is truly right.
it lives from year to year. It changes as it goes, oh, and all the way it grows, but it never disappears. And after all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you.
And I guess it's meant to be forever you and me. And after all, no, it's just beyond our touch. No one did it just so much.
After all, what else is living for? Oh, after all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you.
And I guess it's meant to be forever you and me.
After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you.
And I guess it's meant to be forever you and me. After all. Alright. Ano pang Tagalog ng after all? Tagalog.
Pagkatapos ng lahat.
Yeah. Ano ba, nangangatuwiran ba yan? O ano, yung parang galit? Ang pagkatapos ng lahat. Ganun. Alright, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating PKG Online Awitan. Sana po ay huwag po kayong BBTO. Yan, bati po tayo ng ating pong mga online viewers. Nakita ko kagad si ating guest Pogi. Pakikalabit na ang mga katabi natin dyan. Online awitan na. Yan, si Nivel watching from Bukidnon. Yan, nakalib si Mama. Erickson Mayor, yan, happy watching. Awesome, sana all may magandang boses. Salute po sa mga talented na pulis. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyo pong pagsuporta. Meron pong nag-PM po sa akin. Sabi niya, itago natin sa pangalang She Villaflor. Sabi niya,
Ay.
batiin niyo si Sir Saro na nanonood dyan. Ayun! Ha?
Yes!
Ang,
Nanonood
I think,
si
ang,
Sir.
anong ano ni Sir ngayon? Ang kanyang designation, siya po ay ang ating OIC po, no? OIC DPCR. Sir, Police Brigadier General Marvin Joe Saro, Sir, happy watching po. Aming former director po ng
Yes.
PKG. Happy watching po sa inyo, Sir. Ayun po, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Meron pong nag-request.
Grinit ni Sir si ano.
Si,
Grinit po ni Sir Saro si Sir Ada. Yan. Happy birthday, Police Colonel Joel Ada. Yan.
Ayan, happy watching po.
Police Brigadier General Marvin Josie Saro. Ayan.
Yan, tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa ating pong kantahan. Sige, bati ka pa.
Ayan. Pa-shoutout po, Sir Manti at Madam Kilang. Gagaling niyo po, Ma'am, Sir. Salute po. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Alma Herminia Credo Doral. Good morning po, mga ma'am, sirs. God bless po, PNP. Yan. Shoutout po sa ating mga...
Oh, parang may narinig ako dyan, ang gagaling niyo po, ang lalakas yung kumain. Wala ba gano'n?
wala pa nga tayong pagkain.
Yan. Sige po, here's the next song po by you. Ay, by
you?
tuloy.
By Basil Valdez.
By Basil
sir.
Valdez. It's entitled You. Ito po ay requested po ng Assistant Chief ng HCAD.
Yes.
Police Lieutenant Colonel
Don Dixie de
Don
Dios.
Dixie de Dios. Quadruple DC, sir. Let's go. Para po ang awiting to sa inyo, sir. Happy watching po, 110,000 viewers. You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide, make me feel real good inside. You pushed me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart, and suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those weird little lies tear at me and make me stay. I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. You pushed me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart, then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those weird little lies just tear at me and make me stay. I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those weird little lies that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. Maraming salamat po. That was You by Basil Valdez, one of the iconic singers po ng original Filipino music industry. And here's the next song po. Magpatuloy na tayo.
Ang aking pong next na awitin po ay Count on You by Tommy Show. Ito marami itong makakarelate ng ating mga mommy at daddies, especially lolo at lolas.
Ayan, of course, shoutout po sa aking mama na nanonood po. Live na live dyan sa Tuguegarao City. Yan. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan, mama.
Happy watching, everyone! Mardon Bao is watching. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far. We've soared at the moon and we've counted a million stars. My love still true. Friends come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I stare at these walls before, and they make me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why you're where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my world with mine. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do. All that's is close to you. Whoa, whoa. Happy watching, Ma'am Ruth de Roca Camino. Wow, nice naman, Sir Mandy, nakaka-in-love. Thank you, ma'am. MG Elevado Oxe, happy watching. And of course, ang aking asawa, huwag natin yung kalimutan, Irene, and my two beautiful children, Lemlem and Yana. Happy watching.
Shoutout to Pat Gultimo and Pat Teng na nasa seminar sa UP Diliman. Happy watching!
Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why you're where. No looking back. Count on you every time.
traveled so far, getting right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Alright, totoo ba yun? I can count on you.
Yes, sir. Kaya nga tayo dadalawa dito eh.
You can count on us po as Philippine National Police. And lagi niyo po kami maasahan sa lahat po ng mga pagsubok. Yes, mga pagsubok. Sige po, bati po tayo ng ating pong online viewers.
Shoutout po to Sir George Vallejo Bore. God bless PNP. Salute. Yan. To Ma'am Cassie Eserat. Yan. Shoutout po to Sir Rayboy Abria. Yan. To Ma'am Pines Melody. Shoutout po. To Sian Kylie Ignacio. Yan. Shoutout po.
Yan po tuloy-tuloy po tayo ha. Si Ma'am Claire Serrano, napakaganda ng boses. Maraming salamat po. Cassie, ano ba yan? Esrak ba yan? Watching from Bicol. Yan, marami tayong mga online viewers from another region. Yan. Another province. Yan. Thank you po. Si Sheer, happy watching. Yan. Si Jessamy. Yan. Shoutout naman po sa idol ng lahat, ang ultimate drummer ng PNP. Combo PKG, Sir Idol Tech, Joel Villanueva Carino. Heart.
Shout out to Mike Bravo. Ayan.
May heart talaga, mayroong puso eh. Iba talaga si Sir Idol. Sige po, here's the next song po by City. Pagkatapos, bago mag-utso. Yeah.
Yan, shoutout po sa ating live viewer, yan, ng dating member ng Combo. Yan. Patrolwoman Rod Andrade.
Ay, you
Yan,
know?
shout out.
Atol, balita. Taba mo na.
Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalarin na ako iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman. Di Tapos, para sa akin, by City.
Bago mag-utso. Sige ba? Ay, huwag natin kalimutan of course ang ating mga online programs natin.
Ayan,
Yan.
sa ating mga kauwitan, of course, suportahan po natin ang mga programa ng PNP sa ating mga online platforms, radio at TV. Police News Network, araw-araw po yan, mula 11 a.m. to 12 noon at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Sumbong nyo, action agad, Monday to Friday, 12:30 ng tanghali. Meron din po tayong Police at Your Service every Saturday mula 7 to 8 ng gabi. Pinipicture dyan ang mga iba't ibang himpilan ng pulisya sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa.
And of course, huwag natin kalimutan ang PKG Online Awitan. Tuwing ano po yan? Wednesday. Yan, from 11 a.m. onwards.
Yeah.
And here's the next song by... sino ba kumanta niya?
Mali.
Mali. Okay, sige. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo.
Umati ka po muna, sir.
Ayan, sige. Go. Push. Yan, shoutout po kay Awakening. Happy watching po. Si Kokpo, PS3. Watching from Cagayan de Oro. Ang dami mga mga tropa natin from other PPOs and PROs. Elde, pa-shoutout mo ng mga nag-PFT today yan. Asan si Patrol Woman Wesley? Okay na yan. O sige, tawagin ka namin after the song. Okay na yan, no? You ready your song? Ayan po, sige, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. At tatawag tayo ng ating another performer mamaya. Oo. Kakatapos nila kasi mag-PFT, that's why. Ay, si sir. Mamaya after. Okay, let's go.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled on the sinew and golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Yes, baby girl.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled on the sinew air, golden starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Shoutout po pala sa napakagandang binibini kanina. Yan, Ma'am Hernandez Genevieve. Yan, shoutout po sa iyo, Ma'am.
Close to you. Close to you.
bati-bati po muna tayo kay Ma'am Ramona Caballero, ang galing. Shoutout po dyan sa inyo, Ma'am. Sa Crawford Bomb, yan. Snake Quake Romel, yan. Sir Sumalinog, sir, shoutout and happy watching. Of course, sa Malinaw MPS, shoutout po sa inyo. Watching from Malinaw MPS by PPO. Yan. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan and God bless, happy watching.
Alright, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Next song po by Ruel Cortez. Ito po ang paborito ng ating pinakamamahal na birthday boy, Police Colonel Joel Tiada, sir, para po ang awiting to sa inyo, sir. Let's go!
Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Kaya ngayon laging gulong-gulo ang puso ko at isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka, at sa tuwin ay nababagsak. Dahil ba ang puso ko'y labis na umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan matitiis ilihim ang pag-ibig ko? Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kay hirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita.
Ting song yata ito ni Sir Ada. Sa kanyang
Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Paano bang hangin na kay hirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita.
Alright, that was Iniibig Kita by Ruel Cortez. Yan, para po sa ating birthday po yan. Sige po, tawagin na po natin ang ating pong guest singer na, siya of course, still member of PNP, PKG Artist. Kahit siya po ay, go na, huwag ka na mahiya. Banatan mo, mga 10 kanta.
Sir, nahihiya ako.
Ngayon ka pa nahiya.
Hello.
Yan, bati ka, bate.
Babatiin ko po pala yung mga pamilya ko dyan sa Mindanao. Mayong udto sa inyo ang tanan
Yun,
dyan.
bisda ko.
Happy birthday din sa aming Chief of Staff, Police Colonel Joel Tiada, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Ayan, sige, sige.
gusto kong kantahin yung
Interview
ano.
naman mo kanta. Ba't ka nang kabisang ganyan? Anong meron?
Sir, maaga ako gumising, 4 o'clock.
Wow.
Oo, kasi nga
Thank you, 4 a.m.
Nag-PFT ako. Sige, alas 3 na lang. Nag-PFT ako, sir. Tumakbo ako ng, syempre yung last takbo ko ng training pa, tapos tumakbo ako.
Wala nang practice. Ang hirap niyan, ha? Oo, mahirap yan. Sige po, your song would be, yun, lason mong halik, iba. Sige, batiin mo pa yung mga loved ones mo bukod dun sa bukod kay Meds. Yes.
Sige, binabati ko pala dyan si Narin J. Medellin. Sir, hello, sir. At saka, syempre, okay na yun, sir. Yung pamilya ko, binabati ko na.
Alright.
Yun lang.
Sige, let's go. Banata mo na.
Okay. Itong kanta to para to sa mga nalalason sa isang halik. Subukan ko lang to
Parang nalason ka.
Baka mo naman ako dito.
Day, nalason ba, Day? Nalason ka?
Minsan. Minsan natikman ang lanang iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Akala mo lang yun. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw na sa hanggang wakas ang aking pag-ibig. Ngunit biglang nabago ka, hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita. Nalalamig ka na, bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naiidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap pa rin ang lason mong halik. Yun, ang sakit naman nun. Nahanap-hanap. Ako'y nagkakirati kay init ng liyap. Agad akong nadadarang kapag ikaw ay umakap. Ngayon'y nag-iisa, laging nilalamig. Nawala na ang lahat-lahat, ito'y naging panaginip. Ngunit biglang nabago ka, hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita. Nalalamig ka na, bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Na akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap pa rin ang lason mong halik. Ikaw, sir, naghahanap ka ba ng lason mong halik? Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Na akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap pa rin
And that's my kachuwariwap.
Yes. Yung isang katsuwariwap natin,
Nakalib po
nakalib
kasi,
siya.
kaya hindi po kami kompleto ngayon
Oo.
tatlo. So, shout out na lang po sa aming kachuwariwap dyan na si Mira. Enjoy your vacation with your parents.
Saan yun?
Ayan, kay Ma'am Claire Serrano, binabati po. Ang galing talaga ni Ma'am, napaka-powerful ng boses. Ayan. Galing-galing.
Oh,
Sabi
thank
ni Maymay, ng
Thank
mama
you,
ko.
Mama May, sa mother po ng Kachiwariwap ko. Hello po.
Yes.
Hello po, Mami. Magmami na ako sa'yo kasi na-miss ko yung mama ko.
Yan.
Shoutout sa mama ko dyan, Lily Umala, yung pinakamagandang Mother Earth sa buong mundo. Mother Earth sa buong mundo. Mother Earth na gani, buong mundo pa. I made up my mind. Don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to look no farther. Just say last. I know this love. But if I tell the world, I never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you. And that's exactly what I need to do if I end up with you. Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing greatness, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a way, even if I know my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing famous, even if it leads nowhere? I'll put myself up and fly around in circles, waiting as my heart drops and my back begins to tingle. Finally, could this be? Oh, should I give up, or should I just keep chasing greatness, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a way, even if I know my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing fragrance, even if it leads nowhere? Yeah. Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing famous, even if it leads nowhere? Oh, would it be ways, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep on chasing famous? Should I just keep on chasing famous? Oh, should I give up, or should I just keep chasing famous, even if it leads nowhere? Or would it be a way, even if I know my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just keep chasing famous, even if it leads nowhere? Thank you so much.
Napakagaling naman talaga. So, ayan, here's our last song. So, maraming po salamat sa lahat po ng nanonood po ngayong araw. Sa aming 98,000 viewers sa patuloy po na nakatutok po sa ating PKG Online Awitan ngayong araw ay maraming salamat po. Sana po hindi po kayo magsawang panoorin po ang PKG Online Awitan every Wednesday po yan, 11 to 12:30 ng tanghali. Yan. Saktong-sakto po sa lunch po natin. So, sana po ay nag-enjoy po kayo until now. So, here's to our last song. Buksan mo by
Papasukin.
Willie Revillame.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. KTV.
Gusto ko lang naman malaman nyo na ang isipan ko'y gulong-gulo. Nagtatanong kung susundan pa siya kahit ang puso ko ay nabihag niya. Alam mo bang minamahal ko siya at tuloy ang aking nadarama. Kahit ako'y nagmumukhang tanga ay ayos lang basta kasama siya. Kahit sabihin pa ng iba, magbabaliw na akong talaga. Kahit mayroong ibang nag-cha-cha-cha, nagrurumba, nagsasasa. Pwede sabihin niyo to sa kanya, ang puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano pa ba ang pwede kong gawin na uubra upang maakit siya? Palagay kaya ko ng bato, magpatubo ng babasang uso, magpalaki ng muscle sa braso, magpadagdag ng puwet kay Belo. Buksan mo, papasukin ako, bulaklak para sa'yo. Paano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na, may tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko sinta. Alam mo bang walang kasing saya sa tuwing ika'y nakikita? Ngunit malaki din ang problema dahil hanggang ngayon sa'yo'y umaasa. Lagi na lang akong naghihintay, ngunit ibang lagi mong kasabay. Kahit madalas kang sumasablay, ako sa'yo'y nag-aismay. Buksan mo, papasukin ako, tulak na para sa'yo. Wow mo bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na, may tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko sinta. Hey! Ay po, dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating PKG Online Awitan ngayong araw. Muli po ako inyong lingkod, Police Corporal Dano Mantilla.
Ako naman po si Patrolwoman Jade Mariel Kilang.
At ako din naman si Patrolwoman Ressa Umalay. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat, sa lahat mga nanonood dyan sa online awitan.
At kami, ang bagong PNP na sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.
Maraming salamat!